YouTube, bro. Man, what's going on, y'all, folk, bro? I know I ain't uploaded in 3 weeks, bro. Y'all niggas thought I died from that one chip, but I'm still here, bro. No cap. I ain't go to the hospital. I ain't did nothing. I'm straight, bro. But, bro, today, man, it's gonna be a little regular, little chill vid, bro. I'm gonna show y'all niggas how to make crop hoodies, bro. But before we get to this jump, bro, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, click that post notification bell, bro. And yeah, bro, we gonna get straight to it, bro. Fuck. So we gonna make the crop hoodie out of this Nike Tech right here, as y'all can see. So fresh, so clean. Look at that, I'm not doing this shit. But yeah, let's get straight to it for real. So boom, bro, I'm gonna show y'all the little hoodie I already just got done doing, bro. As y'all can see, bro, this junk low-key hard, bro. I'm gonna low-key flick up in this junk, bro. Make sure to tap in on my little Instagram or whatever the fuck. So yeah, bro. If y'all don't know what the hoodie say good vibes. So yeah, bro, this junk hard. I got it from Route 21. So yeah, bro. So you wanna smack down that motherfucking hoodie on the pool type. I'm just playing. But yeah, bro, as y'all can see, just a regular little plain little hoodie. It say bag. Don't got nothing on the back, don't got nothing on the front. You know what I'm saying? Just a little plain little hoodie, bro. So what y'all wanna do, y'all wanna straighten up y'all hoodie so it's not crooked or whatever or anything, bro. Make sure it's straight. And y'all wanna cut under this line. As y'all can see, I'm pointing it out on the screen. Don't cut on top of it, don't cut on it. Cut under it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro. So now y'all want to grab y'all little scissors, or you can grab a crochet hook as it's on the screen. So yeah, bro, we gonna get straight to it. As you can see, bro, I'm finna start cutting under the little line. As y'all can see, boom. I'm gonna try to zoom in. It might be a little blurry, but I'm trying my best. As y'all can see, we cutting under that line. And yeah, bro. I know my elbows actually is hell, but when y'all get done, y'all should end up with this little piece right here. Y'all can use it as a basketball headband, a football headband, whatever the fuck y'all want to do with it. Just throw it to the side. I don't give a fuck about it. But as y'all can see, bro, we got the little crop hoodie. Now this hoodie kind of it's a little too big, but bro, it ain't that bad. As y'all can see at the back, it's not crooked or nothing. You know, it's straight or whatever. So yeah, bro. If y'all like this video, bro, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, click that post notification bell, and I'll see y'all on another banger, bro. No cap.